I'm not the kind who goes for like really huge goals. I like to set small goals first. My name is Leila and I am working in the healthcare industry. While I love my job, I'm exploring to cut down the hours but still keep the revenue, alright, the earnings. So I am hoping to be able to kind of cover that difference using investing. I would have to say that's my smaller goal. I'm not the kind who goes for like really huge goals. I like to set small goals first, but I guess at the end of the day, it would be nice to, you know, eventually when I retire, to still keep whatever I'm earning now then, even though I'm not working anymore. Yeah, so that's the hope in the future. I was an ex-graduate of VIA. Okay, so I was doing some investing, but I was concentrating more on the US market. But then I got busy with looking after children, and when my children went to sleep, I went to sleep too, so I never caught the market. Then after that, I didn't do it for a long time. And then now that my children are a bit bigger and I have a bit more savings, and I thought, okay, fine, you know, then maybe this is a good time to restart. If I were to compare what I learned in the past and what I learned this time round, there is actually a lot more improvement in what's being shared. You know, there's a lot more tools, opportunities and stuff like that. So I am actually really glad that I came for this refresher live, because I could have gone back to the old file, because I still have the old file, and reviewed that by myself, but then I would have not received all these other tools that was taught in the current program. I've never explored any other investing programs or anything like that lah. Okay, but I think the fact that I have come back is a testimony that whatever I learned from Cayden worked, even though I was doing for a short while, and so that's the reason why I'm back. I trust Cayden and I trust, you know, the company and VIA.